Dylan and Micah, anong aabangan sa character nyo? Describe your character, D.
So, I'll be playing Sean Santillan. Ako po ay 18 years old or 19 years old. May heart disease.
Okay.
Heart disease. And meron po akong may minamahal po ako dito sa story. Siya tayong kapatid.
At yun ay si Micah. Micah, describe your character.
Medyo cute po siya sa story, pero she continues to grow in the story and she finds it.
Do you believe that love can cure everything? D.
I think di lahat ng love kaya cure. Pero there's specific person siguro, specific time, specific moment where it could cure certain situations sa buhay mo. It could help, it could heal you in certain situations. But not entirely kasi life naman is always up and down.
Correct. Your thoughts, Micah? Do you think love can cure everything or it can cure someone?
I agree po with you. I don't think love can cure anything. The people, syempre they're right to help you. And also, for example, yung mga talents na minamahal mo, they're what make you happy. So I think love can cure something inside of you, but not everything.
Pero sa microdrama na to, mapipure niya ako.
Ito yung aabangan namin.
At yan ang aabangan namin.
Lastly, your takeaway while doing this micro series, D.
Well, since this is a story na I couldn't relate to kasi wala naman po akong sakit. Pero may gantong reality eh. May mga tao na nakaka-experience ng ganito na may sakit sila at hirap sila magmahal kasi may sakit sila. And I think Filipinos or kung ano mang nationality can relate to it kasi yung mga tao na may sakit. And I've experienced din naman na meron ng sakit before. And yun, it's just, I believe the saying, parang love conquers all. And kahit, despite kung ano man situation mo or kung ano man nangyayari sa buhay mo, as long as you love the person, mamahalin mo kahit ano pang nangyayari sa'yo.
That's nice. Micah, last, your takeaway.
Filming this also opened my mind to a lot of things. Kagaya ng mga emotion that my character was feeling and also what she goes through on a daily basis. Is to just live life to the fullest. That's what I learned from this.
Yes.